In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SmartArt feature in Microsoft Word. SmartArt is a quick way to turn plain text into clear, professional visuals. Great for lists, processes, hierarchies, and anything that benefits from structure. Start by opening your Word document and placing your cursor exactly where you want the SmartArt graphic to appear. This ensures the graphic is inserted in the right spot and flows with the rest of your content. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Word. The ribbon is the set of tabs like Home, Insert, and Design that organize commands. In the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group and click SmartArt. This opens a gallery of ready-made diagrams. You'll see categories such as List, Process, Cycle, and Hierarchy. Choose the one that best matches your message. For example, use List when you're presenting points without a strict order, Process when you're showing steps from start to finish, Cycle for repeating stages, and Hierarchy to display relationships or organizational structures. Take a moment to preview a few options and pick the layout that makes your information easiest to understand. Then click OK. Your SmartArt graphic will appear in the document. To add content, click directly inside each shape and start typing. If you prefer a structured view, use the text pane, which sits to the left of the graphic. It mirrors your SmartArt, so each line in the pane corresponds to a shape. The text pane is especially helpful for longer lists or when you're refining wording because you can see the outline of your content in one place while Word updates the visual instantly. With your text in place, it's time to customize. When the SmartArt is selected, you'll see new tabs appear on the ribbon: SmartArt Design and Format. In the SmartArt Design tab, use Change Colors to pick a color set that matches your document's theme, and try SmartArt styles to apply polished looks like subtle fills or more dramatic effects. If the layout you chose doesn't quite fit your content, use the Layout group to switch to a different arrangement without retyping anything. In the Format tab, fine-tune the appearance. You can adjust shape fills and outlines, tweak text formatting, and ensure everything is legible. Aim for strong contrast and consistent styling so your message stands out without visual clutter. That's it. Insert the SmartArt, add your text, and refine the design so it communicates clearly. With just a few thoughtful choices, your document will look cleaner, more engaging, and easier to follow.